Krishna. In this presentation, I'll introduce a financial model for implementing a digital transformation project at Professional Golfers Association Tour. The aim of this project is to increase the viewership, fan viewership. For instance, younger audience are losing interest in traditional golf broadcasts, which is leading to the lower viewership and the reduced revenue for PGA Tour. In order to deal with this problem, I am suggesting a digital transformation strategy as a solution, which is aimed at increasing the streaming platform investment, interactive features, and esport partnerships in order to gain younger audience attention. In order to understand the digital transformation project financial feasibility, I am considering a financial model with input parameters, decisions, calculations, and outputs. We'll see about each one of these elements in the next slides. The input parameters are essentially the key parameters such as cost and revenue required to build the financial model. Of course, there could be other parameters, but for this project, I'm considering the cost and revenue. As you can see here, the initial investment in order to build this digital transformation project would be around $18 million. This includes technology infrastructure, content creation, marketing efforts. The operating cost would be around $3.5 million per year. Revenue that the money is coming inside the company in the form of sponsorship, subscription fees, advertising revenue are split as shown in this slide here. Decisions are the key variables that are used to test whether the financial model function, how the financial model going to function under different conditions. It could be 5% advertising growth or 10% subscription growth. In this project, I am considering the discount rate as 8% and proceeding with the calculations. For instance, I am considering the input parameters of cost and revenue and the decision factors such as discount factor of 8% in order to calculate the present value and the net cash flow values. You can see here discount factor. This is a essential factor in determining the present value of future cash flows. That means it converts future cash flows into the present today's value. This factor is crucial to evaluate the profitability and the feasibility of the project. Outputs are the financial results, and the key findings generated out of the financial model we have seen in the previous slides. You can see here the high-level values of the metrics. The net present value is around $290 million per year, and we can see that a positive NPV indicates that project is financially feasible or the project is expected to generate more value than it costs. And the break-even analysis suggests that we need at least 500,000 subscribers in order to be able to cover the costs. The final conclusion would be to proceed with the digital transformation strategy as there is a positive NPV, it is financially viable, and there is also a strong potential for enhanced viewership. And the next steps would be to secure funding from the key stakeholders by explaining the metrics what we have seen and get their support to develop this platform and to finally launch it as a pilot program. These are the references I used in order to build this presentation. Thank you for your time.